Hello students, today our topic is factors. Let us take an example to understand what exactly the factors are. 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8. Now these 2 and 4 are the factors, and as you know this is the product. Now you can see 8 comes in the table of 2 as well as in the table of 8. Now if we divide 8 by 2, the remainder will be 0. If we divide 8 by 4, the remainder will be 0. So this 8 is divisible by 2 as well as 4. Fine. So what are factors? Factors are the exact divisor of a number. That means if the number is divided, like if I talk about 24, if I divide 24 by 12, the answer will be 2. So this 24 is exactly divided by 12, so it is its factor. So factors are the exact divisor. Exact divisor when after division the remainder remains the 0. If the value of remainder is 0, then it is the exact divisor. Let us take an example. Find all the factors of 36. Now let us start with 1. As you know, 1 comes in table of all. So 1 multiplied by 36 is equal to 36. So 1 multiplied by 36 is 36. Now let us divide it with 2. 2 multiplied by 18 is equal to 36. Then 3 multiplied by 12 equal to 36. Then 4 multiplied by 9 is equal to 36. Then 5, no, it doesn't come in the table of 5, and 6 multiplied by 6 is equal to 36. Then 7, no, 36 doesn't comes in the table of 8, 10, 11 and 12 we have already included. So that's it. We are going to take these only. So let us find out what are the different factors of 36. So first we will take these ones. So what are these factors? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Now take these ones. 9, then 12, then 18 and then 36. Fine. So we have taken all these because all these numbers, this 36 is can be divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, then 9, 12, 18 and 36. So these are the all factors of 36. Fine. So now if you see these factors, two very important things which are being used in this are, first, one is factor of all. Every number, whether it is odd number, even number, one is factor of all. Fine. And every number is a factor of itself. Fine. So if I take the example 24 also, 24 can be divided by 24 as well as 1. So every number is one is a factor of all, and the same number is also always included as a factor. These are the two things which must be kept in mind. Now next thing in this is common factors. Common, which is shared by all the numbers. So factors shared by 2 or more numbers are common factors. Let us take an example to solve this. Factors of 18. 1 multiplied by 18 is equal to 18. Then 2 multiplied by 9 equal to 18. 3 multiplied by 6 equal to 18. 4, 5, 6 we have already included. So what are the different factors? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Fine. So these are the factors of 18. Now the factors of 12. 12 comes in the table of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 no, 6 yes, 7 no, 8 no, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Fine. So, these are the, we have to just check in which table, numbers table 12 comes. So, these are the two factors. Now, common which is present in both of them. So, what are the different common factors? So, you can see these are the common factors. So, these were the 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18 were the factors of 18 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 were the factors of 12. So, common which are present in both of them 1, 2, 3 and 6 were the common factors which are available in all. Next thing is highest common factor. Highest is biggest, common which is shared by all numbers and factor which is exact divisor. So, up to now we have calculated the common factors of the number. We have calculated the common factors of 18 and the common factors of 12. Fine. So, then 1, 2, 3, 6 is highest common factor, biggest. So, which one is biggest out of them? 6. Fine. So, HCF of 12 and 18 is 6. Fine. So, 6 is the HCF of 12 and 18. Now, our next question is 5 is the factor of 50 and 72. For that, we will have to find out whether it is exactly dividing these numbers or not. 55, 5 ones are 5, 0, this 0 will come down 0. So, your remainder is 0 here. Now, 72, 5, ones are 5, this is 22, 4s are 20, this is 2. So, remainder is not 0. So, 5 is a factor of 50. 5 is a factor of 50. 5 is a factor of 50. Fine. Not of 72, because here the remainder is not 0. Fine.